A very good morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine. I welcome you all to another interesting online session. So let's start our session. All right. So all children, join your hands and we are going to say a prayer together. The prayer is on your screen. You have to repeat it. You have to say it along with me. All right. So let's start. O God, we thank thee for the night and for the pleasant morning light, for rest and food and loving care, and all that makes the world so fair. O God, we thank thee for the night and for the pleasant morning light. Help us to do the things we should, to be to others kind and good, in all we do and in all we say, to grow more loving every day. O God, we thank thee for the night and for the pleasant morning light. Everybody rub your palms and place your palms on your eyes, and now slowly open your eyes. All right. So once again, a very cheerful morning to all my dear students. I welcome you all in the statewide online education brought to you by Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation. I am Rashmi teacher, and today we are going to learn English subject. So before starting the actual topic, students, I have brought a wonderful song for you. Okay. So the song is there on the screen and you are going to sing it with me. All right. So are you ready? So let's start. Down in the deep blue sea, down in the deep blue sea, down in the deep blue sea, come and take a dive with me. Come on, children, say it with me. We will see a swimming fish. We will see a swimming fish. We will see a swimming fish. Come and take a dive with me. We'll see an octopus. We'll see an octopus. We'll see an octopus. Come and take a dive with me. We'll see a great big whale. We'll see a great big whale. We'll see a great big whale. Come and take a dive with me. We'll see a baby shark. We'll see a baby shark. We'll see a baby shark. Come and take a dive with me. We'll see a jellyfish. We'll see a jellyfish. We'll see a jellyfish. Come and take a dive with me. We'll see a starfish. We'll see a starfish. We'll see a starfish. Come and take a dive with me. Enjoyed everybody? Very good. So one more time. Down in the deep blue sea, down in the deep blue sea, down in the deep blue sea. Come and take a dive with me. Okay, clap for yourself, all children. Very good. So now, after singing this wonderful song, identify which picture is this, children? Come on, tell me. What do you see in this picture? Yes? Very good. It is a sea. Children, have you ever thought what is inside the sea? You will say there are many types of fishes, there are shells. Yes, you are right. So, in today's lesson, we are going to learn what is there under the sea, how is the bottom of the sea, and many more things. So, let's start our lesson. Lesson number 34, at the bottom of the ocean. So see here children, you can see what the bottom of the ocean. The sea is very deep. There are many plants and animals in the sea. Some of them are very small. We cannot see them with our eyes. So below the sea there are many plants and many animals, and some are so small that we cannot see with our eyes. All right, so let's see the next one. There are fishes, turtles, and many strange and beautiful animals in the sea. See, you can see beautiful fishes, different strange animals, beautiful animals in the sea. Oh, what is this? It's a turtle, such a big turtle. See, this also you can see under the sea. What is this now? They are seahorses. So you can see seahorses also under the sea. So there are many such beautiful animals and plants under the sea, and many of them are very strange. We have never seen them, unknown to us. They are not found on land. They are only found under the sea. What is this now? It's a blue whale. Yes, the largest of all animals is the blue whale. And where does it live? It lives in the sea. All right, kids? There are many different types of plants in the sea. In some places, there are so many that it is like an underwater forest. Just see the picture. So many plants are there. It is just looking like a underwater forest. It is a forest only, but where it is? It is under the water, under the sea, at the bottom of the sea. Okay, now children, what do you see in this picture? It is a very big sea, very big sea. And do you know what is a very big sea called as? Yes, you are right. A very big sea is called an ocean. Now, if we go deep down in the ocean, there is no sunlight. It is dark and quiet. So, under the deep ocean, when you go down deep in the ocean, the sunlight also does not reach there. Okay, and it is dark and it is very, very quiet. See here, this you can see the bottom layer of the ocean. Now the bottom of the ocean is known as ocean floor. Got it, kids? See, this is the bottom of the ocean, and the bottom is called as what? Ocean floor. Yes. The ocean floor is not flat. See, it is not flat. Just as we see mountains and valleys and plains on land, there are mountains and plains and also deep trenches in the ocean floor. Yes, children, can you see this picture? See, in this picture, you can see there are plains, there are trenches, there are mountains, there are islands in the ocean floor also. Now, what is a trench? Trench is just like valley. We have on land, we have valleys. Same way, there are trenches at the bottom of the ocean. There are plain lands, there are mountains. And see this mountain? It has come above, raised above the water. And so it has formed an island. So remember children, the ocean floor is not flat. You might be thinking it will be flat, but no, it is not flat. On land, how we have plains and valleys and mountains, same way under the ocean, that is on the ocean floor, there are plains, there are trenches, there are mountains, there are islands also. All right, kids? So I'm going to show you a picture of mountain. What is this? It is a mountain, but where is it? It is on the ocean floor. It is at the bottom of the ocean. Just see, a beautiful mountain is there. So remember, ocean floor is not flat. See here, you can see a trench, right? So there is a valley like thing under the ocean also, which is called as a trench. So under the ocean, there are trenches, there are mountains. Okay. It is not flat. Okay. What do you see in this picture, children? Who will tell me? What is there in this picture? It's a piece of land. It is called an island, which is surrounded by sea from all sides. A land which is surrounded by sea from all sides is called island. So this island is found in the oceans, in the seas. So how is this island formed? Have you imagined? Do you know how this island is formed? See, when the top of such a mountain rises out of ocean water, it forms an island. So under the ocean, as we have seen earlier, there are mountains. So when such mountains, they rise out of the ocean water, it forms an island. Got it, kids? See in the previous picture, see here this mountain, it has rised above the ocean water, and that is why it has formed an island. So students, you understood what is there at the bottom of the ocean? Today, what we saw at the bottom of the ocean, we saw different types of plants, different types of animals, beautiful, strange animals under the ocean. And we also saw a blue whale, right? It is the largest animal. And where does it live? It lives under the ocean. And we also saw that the bottom of the ocean is called ocean floor, and it is not flat. It is having plains, it is having trenches, and it is having mountains also. So I hope you all have understood what is there at the bottom of the sea. So here I have got some things for you to do. So let us see what it is. Say whether the following statements are true or false. All right, kids. So now, students, if the statement is true, you will show me like this thumbs up. And if it is false, you will show like this thumbs down. Got it? So let's see how the first statement. The sea is very deep. So tell me it is true or false? Who will tell me? It is true or false? If it is true, do that like this thumbs up. And if it is false, do like this thumbs down. The sea is very deep. Who will give answer for this? Come on. Yes? Very good. I can see students are doing like this. So the answer is true. Very good. Let's see the second one. There aren't any plants in the sea. It is true or false, children? There aren't any plants in the sea. Very good. All are doing like this. Very good. It is false. Let's see the next one. The blue whale lives in the sea. True or false? True or false? What is the answer? True. Very good. Padmavati, very good. Jamuna, very good. So the answer is true. Next, the blue whale is the largest of all animals in the sea. It is true or false? Tell me, kids. True. Very good, Jamuna. It is true. Very good. Let's see the next one. Deep down in the ocean, there is no sunlight. Very good. True. Answer is true. Next one. The ocean floor is flat. Come on, children, tell me. Very good. False. All children are doing like this. Means it is false. Very good. Next one. There are mountains under the ocean water. It is true or false? What is the answer? Very good, Arush. It is true. There are mountains. Just now we saw there were mountains under the ocean water. And when the top of the mountain rises above the water, it forms an island. Very good. The next one. An island is a mountain top that rises out of ocean water. Tell me, it is true or false, children? Very good, Rishika. It is true. Very good, children. Now, next question is describe the following in one line each. Now, give the answers for this in chat box, all right? You have to describe it only in one line. First one is an ocean. So I told you what is an ocean. Come on, tell me what is an ocean. We saw the picture also. I showed you a picture and I asked you what is this. So come on, how will you describe ocean in one line? Very good. A very big sea is called an ocean. Children, remember this, all right? A very big sea is called an ocean. All right, let's see the next one. Ocean floor. Now, how will you describe ocean floor in one line? Who will give the answer? Describe ocean floor in one line. Very good. The bottom of the ocean is known as ocean floor, right? The bottom, the base, the surface, the base of the ocean, it is called as ocean floor. An island. Describe island in one line. Who will describe island in one line? An island is a mountain top that rises out of ocean water. Got it? So it is nothing but there are big, big mountains under the ocean. And the top of that mountain, when it comes out of the ocean water, we say an island is formed. Got it, children? Next one, write the opposites of. deep, shallow. Okay, kids, you have to remember these opposites. Deep, shallow. How is the ocean? The ocean is very deep. Okay, and the opposite of deep is shallow. Dark, bright. The nights are dark, the days are bright. So opposite, these are opposite words. Dark, bright. Below, above. Right? Below, above. Next one is strange, familiar. Strange means the person which who are unknown, or the people who are unknown to us. So strange, opposite of strange is familiar. Familiar means whom we know. So strange, familiar. So one more time I'll repeat all the opposites. Deep, shallow, dark, bright, below, above, strange, familiar. All right. Let's see the next question. Find as many words as possible that can fit the following descriptions. Now see what is this question. See, let's see the first one, big and small. So you have to find out as many words as possible that will fit this description. Which description? Big and small. Come on, tell me. Which are the things which are big also and small also? Who will tell me? Which things are big also and small also? As many as possible you have to tell me. Give the answer in chat box. Come on. Yes, I can see many students are answering. See here, the answers are animals. See, animals can be big also, small also. Mountains, balls, stones, trees, etc. Got it? So this way you have to answer. So these are all the things which are big also and small also. So as many as possible, you can give names of other things also, right? You can give other answers also, but what is the main thing? They should be big also and small also. Let's see the next one. Now you have to name the things which are strange and beautiful. Strange means which are unknown to us. We have never seen them. Strange. They are not familiar with us. And they are beautiful also. So the answer is sky. Sky is very strange, and but it is beautiful also. Then forest. Forest is also strange and beautiful. Creatures. Just now I showed you many creatures under the sea, under the ocean, under the sea. And there are many creatures in the forest which we have never seen on land also. So creatures can be strange also and beautiful also. Buildings, yes, buildings can be strange and beautiful. Monuments, etc. You can name some other things also, children, but they should be strange and beautiful. Next one, dark and quiet. Now you have to name the things which are dark and they are quiet also. Yes, think. Dark and quiet. Yes. So here are those things. Forests, they are dark and quiet. Caves, caves are also dark and quiet. Night, whenever we say dark, night comes in our mind. The first thing which comes in our mind is night. So night is also dark and quiet, etc. So this way you can name many things which describe the given descriptions, right? Now here is an activity for you, all the kids. find the names of all big oceans in the world. So today, with the help of your parents or with the help of your teachers, you are going to find the names of all the big oceans in the world. All right. So today you are going to complete this activity, kids. So that's all for today. I hope you all understood this lesson at the bottom of the ocean. Thank you. Have a nice day.